Let's learn the word break. B-R-E-A-K. Break. Broke. Broken. Let's repeat slowly. Break. Broke. Broken. Once more. Break. Broke. Broken. Sentences to practice. Break. She breaks the chocolate bar in half. Broke. He broke his leg while skiing. Broken. I have broken a vase accidentally. Let's learn the word come. C-O-M-E. Come. Came. Come. Let's repeat slowly. Come. Came. Come. Once more. Come. Came. Come. Sentences to practice. Come. She comes to work by bike. Came. He came to the party with his girlfriend. Come. I have come a long way since starting my business.
Let's learn the word awake. A-W-A-K-E. Awake. Awoke. Awoken. Let's repeat slowly. Awake. Awoke. Awoken. Once more. Awake. Awoke. Awoken. Sentences to practice. Awake. She awakes early to do yoga. Awoke. He awoke to the sound of the alarm clock. Awoken. The smell of the ocean has awoken memories of childhood vacations for her. Our next word to learn is grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Grew. Grown. Let's repeat slowly. Grow. Grew. Grown. Once more. Grow. Grew. Grown. Sentences to practice. Grow. She grows tomatoes in her backyard. Grew. He grew up in a small town. Grown. The city has grown significantly in the past decade.
Our next word to learn is lend. L-E-N-D. Lend. Lent. Lent. Let's repeat slowly. Lend. Lent. Lent. Once more. Lend. Lent. Lent. Sentences to practice. Lend. I always lend my books to my friends. Lent. Yesterday, I lent my friend some money. Lent. I have lent my car to my brother before.
Let's learn the word rebuild. R-E-B-U-I-L-D. Rebuild. Rebuilt. Rebuilt. Let's repeat slowly. Rebuild. Rebuilt. Rebuilt. Once more. Rebuild. Rebuilt. Rebuilt. Sentences to practice. Rebuild. They are currently rebuilding the church. Rebuilt. They rebuilt the bridge last year. Rebuilt. The town has been rebuilt since the earthquake. Let's add another word to our vocabulary. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Stood. Stood. Let's repeat slowly. Stand. Stood. Stood. Once more. Stand. Stood. Stood. Sentences to practice. Stand. Don't stand the plant in direct sunlight. Stood. She stood up and walked out of the meeting. Stood. The building has stood for over 100 years.
Nezapomeňte dát like a odebírat náš kanál. Každý like je pro nás povzbuzením pro tvorbu dalších videí. Děkujeme.
Let's learn the word sting. S-T-I-N-G. Sting. Stung. Stung. Let's repeat slowly. Sting. Stung. Stung. Once more. Sting. Stung. Stung. Sentences to practice. Sting. The bee always stings when threatened. Stung. The wasp stung me on my arm. Stung. I have been stung by a jellyfish before.
Let's learn the word hear. H-E-A-R. Hear. Heard. Heard. Let's repeat slowly. Hear. Heard. Heard. Once more. Hear. Heard. Heard. Sentences to practice. Hear. He hears a strange noise in the attic. Heard. She heard a beautiful song on the radio. Heard. They have heard many stories about that place.
Now, we're going to learn the word swell. S-W-E-L-L. Swell. Swelled. Swollen. Let's repeat slowly. Swell. Swelled. Swollen. Once more. Swell. Swelled. Swollen. Sentences to practice. Swell. Her ankle swells after running for hours. Swelled. The river swelled after a heavy rain. Swollen. They have swollen with pride after their success.
Blížíte se ke konci. Pokud vás náš obsah zaujal, nezapomeňte se přihlásit k odběru, abyste nezmeškali nic nového. Stačí kliknout na tlačítko odebírat. Děkujeme moc.